If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So can Gary Vee's favorite side hustle actually make you money? So if you're not familiar with who Gary Vee is, he's a big time media influencer. He's a businessman. He's a motivator. If you Google his name or look him up on YouTube, you're going to see tons of content about Gary Vee, as well as content of Gary Vee, right? So one thing that he's been talking about for years, right? He was talking about this before the phrase side hustle even got popular, was garage selling, right? Like, he has been talking about this for years, right? And a lot of people used to kind of like, why are you garage selling, bro? Like, you're a multi-millionaire, maybe a billionaire, who knows? Like, why are you so hype on garage selling? But he would always, get questions from people about how to make money, you know what I'm saying? Like, how could they earn extra money and how could they change their finances? And he would always be like, you gotta, go garage selling. I mean, he's hype on this shit, like garage selling. So here's the thing. Is that like a real thing? Can you really make money? Especially the way Gary Vee taught. He taught like you can literally do this full time, right? And with my little bit of experience, I would honestly say that you could make some nice money garage selling. Now, of course, this does depend on like, where you live. You know what I'm saying? If you're in an area that always has garage sales year round and stuff like that, great. But where I live, all right, in Ohio, like garage sales are seasonal, right? So I got about a 4-month period if I want to do garage selling and make some money. And honestly, if I were to do that, I believe, like, and take it serious, I think I probably could make a couple grand garage selling. Now you're probably wondering, what the hell is garage selling, bruh? Like, what are you talking about? Well, it's very, very simple. All right. The whole idea is, you find a list of garage sales, right? Or you just drive around on a Saturday or Sunday, right? Just drive around. You need to have a couple dollars in your pocket. You can actually probably just have $20, right, in your pocket, $20 to $50 in your pocket. Go to multiple garage sales. You find deals, right? You find products that are very, very cheap, and then you take them home and you post them for sale on, buy, sell, and trade sites, auction sites, places like eBay, and a lot of people doing Facebook Marketplace now. So ideally, I guess you could do Craigslist, you know what I'm saying? I guess. But the two main places you would focus on is Facebook Marketplace. There's tons of groups that you can post stuff for sale. And eBay is still popular. People still sell stuff on eBay. All right. So that's the basis of it. But once, like, if you really want to be serious with it, what you want to do is have you or somebody with a cell phone, right? When you go to these garage sales, because a lot of times you don't know like what's valuable, right? So you might go to a garage sale. You might see something that looks interesting, but you might be like, this is garbage. This is trash. But really, that thing could be selling online for $100. You know what I'm saying? So you need to have somebody, and whenever you find something at a garage sale and it seems halfway interesting, maybe a baseball card or maybe an old lamp or maybe a piece of clothing, you want to be able to look that up, bring it up on your phone. Bring it up. Like, look it up. You know what I'm saying? And some people do it on the fly. Right? Some people actually do it on the slide because they don't want people to see them. Like, what the hell are you doing? What are you saying? You wait, I can sell this online? Right? So some people kind of do it on the slide, right? Boom. You look something up on your phone, right? And you see, oh, damn, this is selling on eBay for $100. And then you look down at the item and they only selling it for $5. Right? So you gladly take out $5 out that 20 that you brought, give them $5, you take that item, you go home, take some cool pictures, right? You post them. You could post them wherever you want. You could post them on eBay, and you could post the pics on Facebook Marketplace to increase your chances of making some money, right? Now, somebody buys it, right? They buy it for $100, whatever, and then you got to do the shipping. Just say shipping's $5, right? So you just profited what, $90? You just made $90. So the ideal situation when it comes to garage selling is, imagine if you went out every weekend and you end up buying, 5 to 10 things and flipping them online, right? So depending on what the things is, you could easily earn a couple hundred to even $1,000 every weekend if you take it serious. You really go out there and you do your research, have your phone, or have whoever you with have a phone out, and you really do a little bit of research. You can make this a profitable side hustle. All right, and I'm pretty sure Gary Vee still does garage selling to this very day. Now, if you want to check out another online side hustle that I am currently making money with, you want to check out the first link in the description. You're gonna like this.